Today is the history of how Indians fought unitedly against Britishers, against all odds, against dependency to see British free India. Today is the history of the strongest movement for freedom, Quit India movement. On 8th August 1942, Mahatma Gandhi launched the Quit India movement in Mumbai, in which Gandhi called for an orderly British withdrawal from India. But what made Gandhi launch Quit India movement? 1. Cripps Mission. During World War I, approximately 1.3 million Indian soldiers supported Britain. Similarly, they expected to do the same during World War II. And to ask Indians' hand in the war, Sir Richard Stafford Cripps came to India. In the meeting with Cripps, Indian nationalists said, in order to send our troops to war, in exchange we want immediate transfer of power, and after the war ends, the Britishers should leave India. India asked for complete independence. Cripps instead said we shall make Indian dominion state, that means the power is still under British, which was a big no from Indian nationalists. In this way, Cripps' mission failed, and Indians who thought of taking advantage of the situation also failed. However, in World War II, more than 2.5 million Indian troops fought against Axis forces around the globe. 2. Increase in prices. Britishers have almost looted everything from India. Indians saw poverty and suffering. Upon that, increase in prices of all essentials, increase in taxes which made Indians push into below poverty line. So, Indians thought this would be the right time to raise voice against British for better livelihood. 3. World War II. What made Indians stand dead while Britishers entered India was British supremacy. The scare of fighting against the powerful country in the world, because Indians know war will be one-sided. What changed from World War I to World War II is many countries built strong army troops that can fight against Britain and their allies. So during World War II, India started realizing British is becoming weak. So they sent Cripps for Indian troops support. When Japan became strong rival in the war against British, Indian nationalists forethought that India may also have a threat from Japan because India is under British control, which made Indian nationalists to promote a movement for complete independence. The Quit India movement is not a 1 or 2 days suffering, or not 1 or 2 people's struggle. India as a whole stood to fight against British with a simple concept, do or die. Indians supported movement by exploding bombs in some places, strikes, setting fire on government buildings, cutting off railway tracks, electricity was cut, and transport and communication lines were disengaged. Consequently, British swiftly responded with imprisonment of thousands of lead nationalists, violence, bomb attacks, tear gas, sabotage, increase in taxes, and thousands of civilians were killed violently. Gandhi, to stop all this, tossed his strongest weapon, Satyagraha and non-violence. Gandhi went on 21-day fast until the things fell in place. However, by 1944, even though many leaders had not been released, peace was restored in India. Many nationalists were disappointed that the Quit India movement had failed and criticized Gandhi and his supporters for weak coordination and no clear-cut plan of action. Despite of its flaws, the Quit India movement remained significant because it was during this movement that the British realized that they would not be able to govern India successfully in long run and began to think of ways they could exit the country in peaceful and dignified manner. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe us on YouTube at Ragashri Video.